They took my son away, she shouts. Another screams that her husband has disappeared. Some 200 Uyghur women protested this morning after a sweep through the city in which the police arrested Uyghur men, presumably those they believe took part in riots and attacks against Han Chinese on Sunday. The government says it has detained more than 1,400 people. The women fear what will happen to their relatives.
Our situation is too tragic. It will be even better to shoot us and kill us than to live like this. The people that protested the other day on the riots, men and women, we heard they were killed and died in a very, very tragic way.
After a while, they were made to disperse. Then more protests started, as Uyghurs complained that now the women had been arrested too.
They took them all away and took them inside. They took all the women and they have not released them yet. There are also children, 7 and 8 years old, all inside. China has no law. The law only protects some people.
The police seemed to waver at times, but officials were clear about how they would treat rioters.
We are protecting the safety of the women and the children, but those who took part in the riots will be dealt with severely. If they were involved in disruption and violence, they will be educated.
The government says at least 150 people were killed when Uyghurs attacked Han on Sunday. Today, Han Chinese picked up sticks and other weapons to take revenge. Victory belongs to the Han, he shouts. They went on to smash up Uyghur-owned property and hunt down Uyghurs. It's not known how many were injured or whether any were killed when the two groups confronted each other down alleyways and side streets away from the cameras. The Han shouting, "They attacked us, now it's our turn to attack them." Billboards promote an image of interethnic harmony, but tension has been bubbling under the surface for years as the government encourages more Han migration. The central authorities say that the violence is a conspiracy of foreign forces, led by the Uyghur leader in exile, Rabia Kadir.
Kadir has been deceiving the world. She's been consistently trying to split China's territory and destroy the harmonious relationship amongst the people of Xinjiang.
In Washington, she denied that she had called for rioting.
Uyghurs should make their demands in a peaceful way. They should understand that it was the Chinese government which created the problems between Uyghurs and Chinese, but there shouldn't be this problem between people. The Chinese government should also listen to Uyghur people's demands and not oppressors. How could we accept such brutality, killing and arresting of innocent Uyghurs?
By late afternoon, a curfew had been imposed in Urumqi. "Go home," the police shouted. "If you stay in the street, you're responsible for whatever happens." Uyghurs rarely confront the state, but now it seems that many have lost their fear. Violence between Han and Uyghurs threatens the myth of China's harmonious society as the Communist Party struggles to reassert control.